guys, it's your girl Bella. How are you? Hope all is well. I first want to take time out to thank those of you who are subscribed to my channel. Thank you and good job. And I also want to thank those of you who are currently following me on Instagram. And if you're not, my handle is @BellasCreditCorner. So today I want to talk about the plan for my channel, because when I originally launched my channel, the plan was to talk about credit cards and credit card rewards and all the great things that you can do with the right credit card. But when I posted my secured credit card video, I received a lot of feedback and a lot of questions, and I just feel I need to touch upon the topic of credit and fixing credit a bit more than I initially planned to. So with that being said, I am going to start a segment called Fix My Credit Fridays. Now, the plan is to take questions and comments from you guys and then post a video addressing those questions and comments. Now, in order for that to work, I'm going to need the questions and comments from you guys, right? So how can you reach me with your questions and comments? There's a few ways. The easiest way would be to send me an email. The email is @BellasCreditCorner. That's the first way. Second, you can send me a DM on Instagram. My handle is @BellasCreditCorner. Last but not least, you can also post questions and comments on my Facebook page, which is, ta-da, Bella's Credit Corner. So with that being said, you can send me questions, comments, and I will sort through those and address them each Friday. Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking, well, I don't want to send her an email or Facebook message using my real name. I totally get that, especially if I know you in real life, right? So, I can't emphasize enough that I'm totally not here to judge. As someone who's had poor credit herself, yes, I'm admitting to have had poor credit, and I'm still here. I'm alive, I'm well, and doesn't make me a bad person, but I had poor credit, and I had to kind of take the journey to go from having poor credit to now having really good credit. And so being someone who's been through that journey, I am the last person to judge anyone on where they are as far as their credit history, and current situation. So if, with that being said, you can reach out to me under your real name. No judgment here. But if you are uncomfortable reaching out to me under your real name, you know, you can create a fake Instagram account or send me an email from an anonymous email address. Whatever makes it easier for you and makes it more comfortable for you. I'm really, truly here to help. I am not here to judge. All right? So, like I said, Fix My Credit Fridays. The plan is to start this Friday. So if you can, send me those questions and comments ASAP. All right? And we shall get this going. All right. Bye, guys.